Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decor with Iqra. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you are new to my channel or you like my video, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't miss an other amazing video like this one. In today's video, I will show you the most beautiful and latest collections of chocolate cake decorating ideas in different styles, colors combinations and sizes. All the designs are very unique and trendy, and I am sure you will get beautiful and amazing chocolate cake decorating ideas from this video. There are some amazing, delicious and eye-catching cake decorating ideas that suit both homeland and professional parties. I hope you enjoy my video most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. Cake decoration ideas can evilist any celebrations. Cake decoration ideas transfer space into bright celebration. This decoration bright the achievement of better person, life and make the party. So please guys watch this video till the end so you don't miss another amazing designs. If you like any design, then please take screenshot of. And if you want to see more cake design video, you can please visit my channel. And also do try my amazing cake recipe. They are all very easy to make and absolutely delicious. All the designs are very unique and trendy, and I am sure you will get beautiful and amazing cake decorating ideas from this video. If you like any cake design or if you new to my channel, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss another amazing video like this one. I hope friends you liked today beautiful collections of chocolate cake designs, and I am sure you will get beautiful and new cake decorating ideas from this video. Thank you so much everyone. Please enjoy and watching this video till the end, and I will see you tomorrow inshallah with the new video. Please take care of yourself and the people around you.